Alright, so targeting using classes. Let's say we had we got 3 paragraphs right here. And let's say we wanted paragraph 1 and paragraph 2, the font size to be bigger than paragraph 3. Well, you could assign an ID, the same ID, to paragraph 1 and paragraph 2, but that's not the right way to do it, because with an ID, you should only assign an ID to one element on your page, because you should only have, it's an ID. There should only be one. That's what it is. If you wanted to have like a series of stuff with a special little styling applied to it, you would use a class. So class equals, and then whatever we want to call it. We're gonna make these the font size bigger, so we're gonna give it a class of bigger. You can call it whatever you want. I just decided to call it bigger. Alright, now in my CSS, whenever you target a class, you start it with a period. Remember that if you're targeting an ID, you use a hash mark, aka a number sign. But for classes, you use a period. And then our class name, and then our attribute. We want the font size to be bigger. So, font size. There are several ways to specify how big or small you want your text. You can use pixels or inches or centimeters or EMs. I always use pixels because websites are made up of pixels, so that's what I use. I'm gonna make the font size of these paragraphs 20 pixels. And now you can see that this paragraph and this paragraph have the same class. Paragraph 1 and paragraph 2 have a font size of 20 pixels. And this one is just the default font size. That's how you use classes.